he at, and you got the blues. Catch her up outside, stunk him out of shoes, and knock a nigga out of socks. What you wanna do? And I'm around with the friend, knock you out your shoes, and we spin on your block with that fucking K. Hey, you know I got the motherfucking baby K. Yeah, you know that shit. Called a fucking Drake, 75 rounds. Yeah, shot him in the fucking face, and lay he in the back, catching on the mat. If you get too close to the car, you get shot in your back. Shot up in your head, we leave your ass dead. You know I'm Suwu, bitch, I'm banging red. Know them young niggas banging red, they on your head. Pull up on your block, and you know I pop you like a mad. Dissing on the game, I'ma pull up where you fucking stay. Hit you with the Drake, broad day, hit on with that K. And you know I want the stopper there, really stretching. And we screaming KKK, and you know we tryna stress on. Yeah, you niggas know we tryna stress on. And I'm screaming KKK, you know we tryna stress on. Out of diamonds. Lil' Brody came up to me, say teach me the recipe. I told Lil' Brody, hey, you know you got the best of me. I'm tryna spin on this block and hit on with that mat. Give me a B away, I'ma come back in all black. Come back in all black with them fucking blues. I got on black forces, I knock them out of shoes. I got the Drake in my pants, Drake walking with a limp. Catch her up outside, hit his eye like a blimp on the way. And you know I'm posted in the fucking way at the park, dropping foes. And you know we dropping days, and you know I'm what they out. And you know we got a Glock, I'ma knock him out of top. Hit that boy out with the Glock. And you know I got like 50 shots up in the fucking mat. You try to run it up your back, yeah that boy, yeah I fly. Yeah that Jake got no blues, we'll knock him out of shoes. Pussy, what you wanna do, what these niggas wanna do?